Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the products that claim to work wonders for our skin, hair, and overall beauty routine. Ever found yourself looking for that one oil that does it all, moisturizes, nourishes, and even helps your hair shine like it's straight out of a salon? Well, today we're checking out a product that promises to do just that, the PURA Organic Jojoba Oil. If you're someone who loves all-natural, multi-purpose beauty products, this one might just be for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest, expert review like this one. Now, let's talk about what makes this oil stand out. The PURA Organic Jojoba Oil comes in a 16.9-ounce glass bottle and is USDA certified organic. What makes it unique is that it's cold-pressed, unrefined, and hexane-free, meaning it's pure, natural, and packed with the essential nutrients your skin and hair crave. This oil is also perfect for a variety of uses, whether you're moisturizing your face, treating your hair, or even mixing it with your favorite essential oils for a custom skincare experience. When it comes to usage, this oil is incredibly versatile. Its main features include being rich in vitamins E and B, which are known for their skin-nourishing benefits. It's a non-comedogenic oil, which means it won't clog your pores, making it ideal for daily use on your face. Personally, I've found it to be a fantastic moisturizer that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, so it's perfect for daily application under makeup or as an overnight treatment. In terms of hair care, PURA Jojoba Oil excels at nourishing both the scalp and hair. It helps hydrate a dry scalp, while its lightweight texture ensures that it doesn't weigh down your hair or cause greasiness. It's perfect for strengthening hair follicles, adding softness, and taming frizz, especially for curly and color-treated hair like mine. I've been using it as a deep conditioning treatment, and my hair feels noticeably softer and shinier after just a few uses. Plus, it doesn't leave any heavy buildup, which is a major win for anyone with oily scalp concerns. As for the bottle, I'm really impressed by the eco-friendly packaging. The dark amber glass bottle helps protect the oil's freshness and potency. It also looks sleek on my vanity, simple yet elegant. If you're someone who values sustainability in your beauty products, the thoughtful packaging will definitely appeal to you. Of course, no product is without its imperfections. While the oil is fantastic for most skin types, some people with very sensitive or acne-prone skin may want to patch test it first to ensure it's a good fit. Though jojoba oil is generally non-comedogenic, everyone's skin is different, so it's always best to be cautious. Additionally, while I love the versatility of the product, it may not be as effective for those looking for a more targeted solution to very specific skin conditions, like severe acne or eczema, as it's more of an all-around moisturizer. In terms of value for money, this product is priced fairly, considering its size, organic certification, and the fact that it's a pure, cold-pressed oil. Jojoba oil is one of those ingredients that tends to work well across many different skin and hair types, so the versatility alone makes it worth the investment, especially if you're looking for a natural alternative to chemical-laden products. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of oils on the market that offer similar benefits, such as argan oil or rosehip oil. However, those tend to come at a higher price point, especially when marketed as premium oils. If you're on a budget and still want a high-quality, natural oil, this one definitely delivers great results without breaking the bank. All in all, the PURA Organic Jojoba Oil does what it promises. It's an all-in-one beauty oil that nourishes skin, strengthens hair, and serves as a versatile base for your DIY beauty treatments. It's perfect for anyone looking for a simple, organic addition to their beauty routine. I would highly recommend this to anyone with dry skin, curly hair, or anyone who prefers an eco-friendly, multi-purpose product that can tackle a variety of beauty concerns. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if you're interested in picking it up, check out the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.